Hi, this is review of Banggood Drill Pro hand drill. Excellent tool for hobbyists and everybody. So let's try to drill something. For example, this is 3mm drill. I think maximum drill size is 3.5mm. As you can see, it is very easy to carefully manage to drill plastic, wood and whatever. So this drill is not the sharpest one, but hey. Another thing, if you use PCB, you have those drills. Pay attention that those are very fragile, 3.17mm, and it is good to have this. It is sharper than other one, but pay attention, do not angle when you start to drill, you may break it. And pay attention to hold still, not angle. Much faster drilling. This time I drill it completely, but some other use is possible. If you have something like this, for example, broken screwdriver. Recently I broke this, and this one is much better than this one. So I will try to cut this head inside plastic and put inside this. So don't worry, I will I wanted to say I will lower the sound level. Pay attention, it is very hot, and put in there. What is advantage? I will show you now. So this is excellent because this part, it rotates freely, and do not make your fingers sore or something when you're trying to screw. Many screws, for example, disassembling quadcopter or similar. I have another one, and this is very tough, and it has no torque, pretty small, so this is wider, much wider, and in this case it is excellent thing, just tight, and you can do repair on whatever. So this screwdriver is okay, but it's too narrow, and I think, not sure, let's say that I want to put this one. Too bad that is too shallow, but it can go inside other size, and you can use it as screwdriver aside drilling. Main purpose is drilling, but it is very precise. This is 1mm drill. You can put even smaller dimensions. Let's try to drill this one. Excellent. This one is not carbon steel. This is HSS, which means high speed steel for drilling with high speed. But also it can be drilled perfectly for whatever you want to drill. For example, wood. Excellent stuff. And this is slightly elastic. You cannot do this with this one. As you can see, Drill Pro is really pro designed material, aluminum, anodized, and it fits perfectly in hand. This part rotates freely, and it's a real joy to drill. And if you have need to make your own screwdriver, you can do that too. So that's all for now. Buy this, I strongly recommend, about $4, $3.99 or something. Okay, thank you for watching. Please rate, comment and subscribe. Do not forget to share and click that notification bell. Bye.